Hey all, here's 7 improvements as quick as I can. So first thing Polish Rob did was he put up a new shelf the whole ways down here, so it extended this shelf. Haven't painted it black yet, but it's our 20-degree shelf. And it goes the whole ways down, which is awesome. Terry came along and put our tool boards all here, so it's ready for use. This is right now our red tag area, but soon it will get cleared out and we will actually use it. So it's all ready to go. The next thing is we rearranged our body and neck hangers here. So you can see these were flipped the other ways around, and it was just very easy to damage the guitar bodies as you walked past. So we moved them up so they're more in visual with your eye level so that you won't bump into them and mark them. The next thing is we did a really nice improvement to the design of our body holder here. So these are the guys that we use for assembling bodies, and they go onto this dock here, and we use them when we're spray painting, etc. The problem was they were only set up for doing guitars, but we also manufacture basses, which is this product here. So it's got 4 strings, completely different design, and then the plate didn't fit. So the new design, instead of this being welded on, which fits the guitar body, it's bolted on with 2 bolts. And then you can interchange it so that you can put on a bass one. So this one is designed for bass, and if we ever have more models in the future, we'll be able to use the same jigs or the same parts and just bolt off and change this plate. And we already have a place for those, and there they are. So we have the M8 locks and we have the plates for the docks. The next thing that we did is we finally bought a fantastic sink. So it's right here. It's not in place yet. This is for our bathroom. So it's a really lean sink because it's got a push button to switch it on and off. It's really, really slick, really high level, and you adjust it here to change the hot and cold. So hopefully we're installing that next week. It's really, really nice. The next thing is Polish Rob did a new fantastic jig for bass. So we're really working on our bass system, and this is it. So a bass neck goes on right up here, and it bolts on so that you can level the frets. And before we only had this for guitar, but now we've changed it to bass. And it's fantastic, and that ties in with, here's our a sample of a bass neck, and at the back you can see it's got 4 bolts, whereas before we did not have those. We would use just regular screws, which we would drill at the time of assembly. Now, because they're there, it means that we can attach it onto all the different jigs and use those body hangers that I showed you next door just a couple of seconds ago. So it's really, really great. And then the final huge improvement that we've done is on our CNC machine, and it's regarding all the wiring. So we had a big problem with the wiring up here. It was done really, really badly. So first thing we did was made this whole new jig here that holds these pipes really strongly. And then we did this other one that holds the vacuum pipe. And then we've done a cover over this, and we've rewired the whole thing so that it's much tidier. And a similar improvement is down along here. So we've put in labels on all of these cables. So if we ever do have a problem, we'll be able to fix it. And I have a future improvement coming where we actually change this whole box to like a piece of plywood, where we'll do a cover over it, and we'll have all the cables much, much neater and separated, and maybe redo the wiring, because the wiring it is a very bad and it's just asking for problems. So up here it's so much better than it was, and we now know what's going on. And that's it. That's some of the great improvements we've done last week, and everything is getting better every day. So thanks so much for the help, everybody, and thanks for watching. Bye.